Yung mga pangiturugan here in Manila, super iba versus sa province. May mga ads. Right now, I have here Angko and my favorite coffee. I call this one as peanut butter mochi. Oh, it has like a hint of herbs and spices.
Uy, broski! Broski! Good morning!
Broski, maray na aga sa'yo and
maray
all.
Na
like
aga,
super
broski.
legit and all. Maraming salamat dito sa breakfast in bed.
Uy, welcome, broski.
Maraming salamat. Actually, broski, buti na lang dinalaw mo ako dito and all. Kasi yung mga pangiturugans ko the past few nights, gagi parang nakakapanguris, hindi na talaga ako nagkakaturug and all. Because, di ba nabanggit ko nga sa'yo through FaceTime, yung mga pangiturugan here in Manila, super iba versus sa province. May mga ads yung pangiturugan.
Kaya nga, ang weird naman nun, broski. Kumusta naman ngayon tulog mo?
So far, so good. I'm so ugma kasi bumili na ako ng premium na pangiturugan.
Meron pala nun? Premium na pangiturugan?
Oo, gagi par. Wag mo sabihin hindi ka naka-premium.
Hindi, broski.
Kaya nangaraw-ngaraw ka, right?
Oo.
That's the reason. So, kailangan i-premium mo yung pangiturugan mo and all para hindi ka nangaraw-ngaraw. Para walang ads. Para tuloy-tuloy.
Paano ako makakabili ng premium?
Ano yan? Depende yan, broski. Depende. May availability lang yan per location eh.
Okay.
Per location lang yan and all. Pero, anyway, I'm just so ready na magpamahaw na and all.
Oo nga. Mukhang masarap yung pamahawan natin, broski.
Yes, breakfast in bed. So right now, I have here Angko and my favorite coffee.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
This is my favorite combo every pamahawan and all. So this one, kung nagtataka ka and all, this one is actually Angko. Mabibili mo lang siya sa Vinzons CamNorte. But of course, since CONYO Bicolano ako, I don't just call this one as Angko. I call this one as peanut butter mochi.
Yun pala yung English nun, broski?
Peanut butter mochi, gagi. Kasi it's like mochi, but it's not mochi. And it is peanut butter because sa loob niya, there's palaman. It has peanut butter and all.
Okay.
What I love about this peanut butter mochi is that this is very aesthetic. This is very minimalist. The packaging is very straightforward and all. So very, lang siya, very minimalist. It presents two colors actually. White and green. Oo, gagi.
Green? Nasaan yung green?
Para kang palpal and all, gagi, para masyado kang excited.
Okay.
So, syempre, makikita mo dito is the white.
Okay.
Yan, yung green dito is in here.
Ayun.
There you go. See?
Yung
so, it's very straightforward. So, the green one is actually the dahon of the batag. Yes, but what I love about this dahon is that this, aside from this is very aesthetic, it also prevents these malalagkits and all na magdurukot-dukot and all. It has also parong. The parong, it has like a hint of herbs and spices with a bit of love, affection, and a hint of honesty.
Oh, may kasama ng honesty, broski?
Yes, gagi par. Super nice. O, diba? And then, also, this mochi.
Okay.
So, this is made up of bagas.
Bagas
nirunot
pala yan.
na bagas and all.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you taste this one, at first, wala siyang wala siyang lasa, but it has like peanut butter inside. Let's taste.
Sige.
Gagi par, magkakaparadukan ka dito because
Bakit?
it's so malagkit and all.
Okay.
Nagduduro ko talaga on top of your mouth and then sometimes sa gilid ng ngipon and all. Kaya kung may mga braces ka, gagi par, you really have to be very careful when eating this one. Oh, ayun na.
Ano meron? Oh, anong nangyari?
Gagi par, nagsarabog na yung peanut butter into my mouth.
Akala ko
Super
nangyari.
siram. And syempre, magkakaparadukan ka.
Okay. Anong magandang partner?
Not water.
Okay.
Not hot chocolate.
Okay. Coke. Hindi din.
Hindi broski, bawal din yun.
Bawal din.
Actually, pre-ad sila ngayon.
Malay mo na. Okay.
Yung yung pinaka-paborito ko dito is Karma.
Oh, Karma.
Social
so,
naman,
let's broski.
Di pa rin siya na, kasi nakadurukot pa rin sa ngipon ko and all. But I love the combination, Angko and Karma. So the Karma breaks the pagiging matamis of the mochi and all. It provides a little bit of pait and it provides a little bit of thickness sa lasa mo. I love it. And It improves your palate, your tasting palate and all.
Ay, may ganun pala yun.
Tapos para siyang may duros inside your inside your mouth. Because it brings back a lot of good memories. Papangurso.
Uy, broski! Broski,
Hindi, kasi
kalma.
broski, naaalala mo talaga yung childhood mo.
Ah, okay. When you're
Grabe.
eating angko before, okay.
Oo, I mean, this one, it tastes like heaven.
Ay, gagi, pare.